Hi everyone, Michael Hill with Enterprise Real Estate here with your last market update for 2015. We've been having the best holiday season ever, and I hope you guys are too. You know, the year finished with the December Fed rate hike arriving exactly as predicted, and I thought I'd spend a couple of minutes today looking ahead to 2016 and sharing our research with you about the opportunities and the obstacles that we think are ahead for next year. We think the U.S. economy is going to do better in 2016 than this year. Job numbers are continuing to rise, household formation is growing, and we think that interest rates are going to stay under 5% all year before they start to rise. So now I'm hearing on the street about there's going to be 4 rate increases next year, and I really think there's just only going to be two rate increases in 2016. Oil prices are going to stay low next year, and that's going to put a lot of extra money in people's pockets, which I just think can only be a good thing. Well, so what? So what does this mean for homeowners? This is a real estate message. What for buyers and sellers and for investors? If you're going to finance a home in 2016, interest rates are going to remain good. We recommend a 15-year fixed rate conventional loan with no private mortgage insurance. The bad news for buyers is that there's not much to choose from, and still prices continue to rise, and we don't see that slowing down until at least the end of the year, the first part of 2017. Sellers in 2016 are going to continue to have the problem that once they sell, they become buyers, and a good quality home, good quality move-up homes at reasonable prices in good areas are difficult to locate. And folks that bought their home in maybe 2005 to 2007 probably paid a high list price, and they're still working on getting their equity back so they can move up to a larger home or a more desirable area. If you're a real estate investor or you want to add this asset class to your investment portfolio, I can only say that we're in a time window now in which we're buyers for our own portfolio. Interest rate and economic numbers are speaking to us. And the one thing we know about this environment is that it will change. So if you need to buy or sell, or you're considering investing, reach out to me by phone or email, and I can answer your questions and I can give you some of my ideas. No obligation. The one thing I will share with you today, investors, is that you can still locate and purchase good rental units in good areas of Sacramento County for 10 times rent. And that is quite an opportunity for the enterprising investor. And remember, before the end of the year, there's a lot of things that we can think about doing to help ourselves. Now's the time to max out your contributions for your 401k, 403b. It's $18,000 this year, $24,000 if you're over 50. If you have a flexible spending account, use that balance. You only get to carry $500 over into the next year. If you're like us, you're going to owe some tax this year, so you might consider selling some stock or a mutual fund that have lost value, or to reduce some of your tax burden. Now, talk to your tax investment advisor. Don't mess with your long-term strategy just to take a tax loss. But many of us are rebalancing the old stock portfolio in the first quarter anyway, so I'm just saying. Anyway, this year has come and gone so fast, and next year is here, and we're off to the financial races already. If we can help you with any of your real estate or investment needs, reach out. We'll hook up. And look, if you like what we have to say, help us help you. Like us on Facebook, follow us on YouTube, share this video with somebody that you know who could use this information. One thing I've learned in the real estate business in 20 years is that we're all trying to do well, and we really do better with each other's help and with each other's support. So we look forward to hanging out with you in 2016, and we'll be back in 2 weeks with another update. And until then, this is Mike over at Enterprise Real Estate, wishing you health and wealth and happiness.